Hey, it's Karen and Gavin from Couple in the Kitchen, and we're here with HEB to show you how to holiday even brighter. Today we're sharing a vintage family recipe. We're using our family recipe for smoked turkey to make our mini turkey pot pies. We reach for Kitchen and Table's Triton storage in order to store our Thanksgiving leftovers to make this delicious leftover recipe. Start by adding your butter into your Kitchen and Table stock pot. And then add in about a cup of your savory vegetables. These have been pre-chopped onion and carrot. Once soft, add flour gradually to the sauteed mixture, stirring constantly for at least a minute. Add your chicken broth, herbs, salt, pepper, milk, cream, leftover turkey, and frozen vegetables. Bring your pot pie mixture to a boil and then simmer to thicken. About 30 minutes. Now that we've made our pot pie filling, we've got a pie crust that we're going to fill in our mini ramekins. We picked these mini ramekins up from HEB. You're just gonna set it on the pie crust and you're going to cut out the tops using the lip of the ramekin as your guide. Now let's fill the base. Cut a larger circle around your ramekin. And then one tip to help it fit is cut little notches on each of the corners. Press your pie crust into your ramekin. Ladle your pot pie filling inside of your ramekins. Once you've filled your pie crust with your pot pie filling, it's time to put the tops on. Now, what's easiest is just kind of pinch the sides around the ramekin so you don't have too much excess heat and steam coming out. It's also important to make sure you vent the tops so you don't have an explosion. So just use a small knife to pierce a few slices on the top of your crust. Finally, brush the tops of your pie crust with an egg wash. Our mini pot pies are ready for the oven. Let's put them in at 375 for 30 minutes. And there you have it, our mini leftover turkey pot pies. Thanks for tuning in to this recipe. Be sure to subscribe to get more great ideas from HEB and more ways to make holidays even brighter.